All right, so I've got some data here that I like a lot. That's the sleep information about a bunch of different mammals, right? So we have their common name, genus, what they eat, the order, their conservation status, right? Whether they are endangered or domesticated. I'm actually not sure what LC is. I think it's probably, hey, we're not worried about them. Oh, wait, no, maybe low because there's no threat. I don't know. I need to look this up. I've used this data a long time ago, but I like it. Um, the sleep total, right? How many hours they sleep, how many hours are awake. These should and do add up to 24. And then information about their body weight and their brain weight, right? So say that I want to look at the relationship between how much they sleep and their body weight, right? Do bigger animals sleep more? Do smaller animals sleep more? Is there any relationship here at all, right? So the function we are looking for in Excel is correl, right? Short for correlate. And we are looking to correlate the sleep total and the body weight total, right? So I do one array, comma, and then the other, and that gives me the correlation, right? So that's actually a negative correlation. It's kind of not very strong, but there is a negative correlation there, right? So I would say maybe let's do this and take a look at that plot as well. Oh, interesting. So it looks like we just have some outliers that are kind of becoming a problem, right? We've got this big giant one and this even more big giant one. Okay, so let's talk about this a little bit more. Get rid of that. Let's do a filter on this. Do a little bit of investigation. What's going on here, right? I apologize. My data science is slipping in sometimes, but I want to do descending body weight. So now let's go ahead and ignore the elephants. I think the elephants, which apparently only sleep 3 hours, that's kind of crazy. Those are very much throwing off this. There may be a pattern here. We just absolutely can't tell because it's all so squashed against the horizontal axis there. So let's try this again. And I want to correlate the sleep total for everything but the elephants and the body weight for everything but the elephants. So we got there. Okay, so that's actually a stronger negative correlation. And if we want to do, let's see, let's go ahead and change this guy up. Chart 9, slip data. The chart data range, my X values are, my X value is the sleep total, or everything but the elephant. And my Y is again, everything but the elephant. Okay, well, we still have some outliers here, but I would say you can start to see that correlation. This actually is branching into what we're going to talk to next, which is that this is a correlation value for linear relationships, right? It's for linear relationships, not for curved relationships. And this is a little bit of what I would call a curved relationship. So that is something to keep in mind. I will go do another example with something that's a little more linear. And but on the other hand, this is the function you're going to need, right? This correl, and you're going to give it your two different X and Y, and it goes through and it computes the correlation value for you.